Today I'm going to do some practice problems on finding the area of some basic shapes. So number one, I have a square. The area of a square is length times width. If one of my sides is 5 centimeters on a square, all sides are going to be 5 because all sides are equal on a square. So if my length is 5, my width is also going to be 5. So the area is equal to 5 times 5. So that means the area is going to equal to 25 centimeters squared. And centimeters squared, that is our units. The units is centimeters, and it is squared because we are dealing with area. Okay, for the next one, number 2, the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is also length times width. And in this case, it doesn't matter which side you're calling the length or which side you're calling the width. Just pick one. So I'm going to say that my length is 2 meters, and I'm going to say my width is 6 meters. So the area is going to equal 2 times 6, which equals 12. And my units is meters, and since we're also dealing with area again, it's going to be meters squared. The area of a triangle, so let's move on to number 3. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. My base is going to be 6 inches because that is my horizontal length here. And my height is going to be 7 inches. So the area is equal to 1/2 times my base, which is 6, times my height, which is 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. Divide that in half, you get 21. So 21 inches squared is your answer for number 3. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi, and then my radius is equal to 2. And then you square that. 2 squared is the same thing as 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So the area is equal to pi times 4. And so my answer is going to be 4 pi. Now you could multiply 4 and pi and get a decimal answer, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. So my answer is 4 pi, and there is no units, so all I'm going to write is units squared. So here are my answers. Let's review my answers here. For the square, I got 25 centimeters squared. And then for the rectangle, I got 12 meters squared. And for the triangle, I got 21 inches squared. And then for my circle, I got 4 pi r squared. 4 pi units squared. And you could also multiply the 4 and the pi once again to get a decimal answer.